Hey everyone, if you're looking to master social media marketing and scale your brand in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you want to become a social media manager, scale your personal brand, or promote your business online, taking the right courses can save you a lot of time. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 best online courses to learn social media marketing in 2025. These courses cover everything from Instagram growth hacks to Facebook ads, YouTube marketing, and content creation strategies. So let's dive right in. Starting off with number 1, social media marketing mastery. If you're looking for an affordable course that teaches you social media marketing strategies, this Udemy course is a fantastic choice. What you'll learn is how to create viral content and boost engagement, step-by-step tutorials for Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and TikTok marketing, a deep dive into paid advertising, including Facebook and Instagram ads, and how to optimize for better conversations, how to use automation tools to streamline your workflow and save time. What's great about Udemy courses is that you have lifetime access, so even when the platform updates, you can still go back and refresh your skills. Plus, the course is designed for both intermediate and advanced users, making it accessible for a broad audience. Number 2, growth hacking on Instagram in Udemy. Instagram continues to be one of the most powerful platforms to build a brand, and this course teaches you exactly how to leverage it to grow your following and increase engagement. Why I think you'll love this course. It teaches organic growth strategies, not bots or fake accounts. It covers Reels, Stories, IGTV, and influencer collaborations, step-by-step tutorials on hashtag strategy, and algorithm hacks to maximize your reach, how to collaborate with influencers and drive sales through Instagram. This course includes case studies of brands that have successfully scaled using Instagram, helping you understand these techniques to apply them to your own brand. Number 3, Facebook ads and marketing mastery, Udemy. If you want to learn how to run profitable Facebook ad campaigns, this course is for you. Facebook and Instagram ads are some of the best ways to drive targeted traffic and sales, and this course teaches you everything you need to know. Here's what you'll learn. How to set up and optimize Facebook ads for better ROI. How to write high-converting ad copy and creatives that attract clicks and sales. A/B testing and analytics to improve your campaign performance. What makes this course stand out is that it covers both the technical setup of ads, but also the psychological triggers and buyer behaviors that help increase conversion rates. Number 4, Content Marketing Certification, HubSpot Academy. Social media isn't just about posting pretty pictures. It's about creating content that converts. That's where HubSpot's Content Marketing Certification comes in. Here's why this course is beneficial. It teaches you how to create engaging, high-quality content that attracts your target audience. It covers SEO strategies to help your content rank on Google and other social platforms. It teaches storytelling techniques to help your brand stand out in a crowded market. But best of all, it's completely free. If you're serious about learning a long-term content strategy for your business or brand, this is the perfect course for you. Number 5, Social Media Marketing Specialization, Northwestern University, Coursera. This is one of the most comprehensive social media marketing courses out there, offered by Northwestern University on Coursera. It's perfect if you want a structured learning path that takes you from beginner to expert. Why I think this course is a must-take. It covers all major platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. It teaches content creation, analytics, audience engagement, and campaign management. It includes case studies and hands-on projects that help you practice your skills. You earn a professional certificate once you complete it, and that looks great on a LinkedIn resume. This course is structured into multiple segments and includes quizzes and peer-graded assessments, which means you'll be actively engaging with the content and reinforcing what you learn. And that's my list of the top 5 best courses to learn social media marketing in 2025. But how do you pick the right course for you? If you're not sure what course to take, here's some key things to consider. What are your goals? Are you looking to grow your personal brand, become a social media manager, or market your business? What's your budget? Some courses are free while others require an investment. Are you platform specific or more general? Meaning, do you want to master one platform like Instagram, or do you want to learn multiple? What's your learning style? Do you prefer structured university courses or more hands-on practical lessons? Do you want a certification? If so, look for courses online that offer one for credibility. Check for updates and instructor support. Social media is always evolving, so choose a course that stays up to date. Whether you want to master Instagram, run high-converting Facebook ads, or make viral content, there's a course for you. Which one are you most excited to take? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.